Today on View to a Grill, I'm going to show you that summertime grilling does not have to be heavy. We're going to make our own rub and marinade, grill our chicken breast to perfection to create a delicious chicken wrap, and we're doing it all on the Monument Denali 605 Pro gas grill. I'm Johnny. Let's start by making our chicken rub. In a bowl, pour in a quarter cup of your favorite all-purpose rub. Next, we'll add a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, then a teaspoon of poultry seasoning. Next, we'll add a tablespoon of lemon pepper. Stir that all together, and when you're done, your rub should look like this. Now, I'll put a lid on because around my house it is humid AF, and the lid will keep the humidity out, preventing your rub from sticking together. Now that our rub is made, let's make our chicken marinade. I'm going to be using a 2-to-1 ratio of olive oil and lemon juice. In this case, 2 parts olive oil and 1 part fresh squeezed lemon juice. To that, I'll add about a tablespoon of the rub we just made. Get that all stirred together and taste. Adjust seasoning if necessary. Our rub is ready. Let's marinate our chicken breast. Before we marinate our chicken breast, I'm going to pound out the chicken breast just so that it has an even thickness from top to bottom. And to do that, I'm just going to use one of my cast iron pans. Here's what my chicken breast looked like when I was done. You can see that it's a nice uniform shape. What this is going to do is allow us to grill our chicken breast evenly. Before I marinate the chicken, I'm going to season it lightly on both sides with the rub we made. To marinate my chicken, I'm going to be using a vacuum sealer. And for me, this is only going to take about an hour. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, use your Ziploc baggie, but it's going to need to marinate for about 4 to 6 hours for you. I'll go ahead and get my chicken in the bag, pour in all of the marinade, get it all sealed up, and here's what that's going to look like once it's all vacuumed. Now all we have to do is get it into a refrigerator where it's going to marinate for about an hour before we grill it. While the chicken breast is marinating, let's make our salad filling. In a salad bowl, pour in about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then add about 6 tablespoons of olive oil. I'll also use some fresh oregano. Just pull the leaves right off the stem. And we're going to do the same with some fresh thyme. Next, we'll add in about a tablespoon of honey, and then about a tablespoon of that rub we made. Now we can stir all of that together and give it a little taste test. Adjust your seasoning if necessary. I'll pour half of that in a bowl for saving and leave the rest in the salad bowl for the topping. When you're making your wrap topping, it could literally be any vegetables you like. I'll be using some carrot sticks. Get that in a bowl. I have a shallot, so I'm going to put some shallots in there. Chop them up real thin, get them into the bowl, stir it up a little bit. For a little heat, I'm going to be using one of these Italian yellow peppers. And I like the juice, so I'm going to squeeze it into the bowl. Chop them up into some strips and get them into the bowl. Next, I'll have some cherry tomatoes, as many as you like, and coat them with the dressing. For the lettuce, you can use whatever lettuce you have. I like the crunch of romaine, so I'll just cut them into 1/4-inch strips and get them into the bowl. Now just give that a stir, put the lid on, and get that into the refrigerator so your topping can chill. Let's get the Monument Denali 605 Pro gas grill ready to go. Before grilling, I'm just going to clean my grill grates. We'll just spray on some of this Citrasafe grill cleaner, and then after a minute, you can see how easily this is coming up just by rubbing it with my finger. Now I'll use a brush to scrub off any of the heavier residue, and then a coarse cloth to wipe it all up. Because none of this stuff on this towel is going to make your barbecue taste any better. Now let's go ahead and start our fire And before I start grilling, I'm just going to spray it with a little olive oil. Now that our Monument grill is ready to go, let's grill our chicken breast. Here's our marinade bag, and the chicken is looking good already. I'm going to spray it with a little olive oil. This is going to help prevent sticking and give it a little more color. Again, I'll lightly season both sides with the rub we made. A nice seasoned grill also helps to prevent sticking. So I'll go ahead, spray that down one more time with my olive oil. We are now all good to go. Let's go ahead and grab our chicken breast. We have a nice, clean, seasoned grill, and just put your chicken evenly over the fire and close the lid. I gave this about 3 minutes, and as you can see, it is not sticking, and we have a little bit of color development. So I'm going to give all of these a quarter turn. Now for this part of the grill, I did not close the lid, and then after about 3 minutes, we went ahead and flipped our chicken breast. We grilled this chicken until it reached an internal temperature of 161 degrees. Pull the chicken and let the carryover heat get us to 165 for safe eating. Now that we're finished grilling our chicken, let's put our grilled chicken wrap together. So I'm making a few of these, and I have an assortment of cheese. I'm going to want my particular chicken wrap to be a little spicy, so I'm going to use a spicy cheese. Warming up the tortilla is going to make it more pliable and less likely to tear when wrapping. Here's a good look at the chicken breast that we made. We're going to start off with some of that salad topping that we made earlier. Get that on as much as you like. I'll chop up about half of my chicken breast and put that right on top of the salad topping. I'm going to go ahead and put some more of that salad topping on, making sure I have a little bit of everything. Now all we have to do is wrap this up into a little burrito. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful. Now just so you can get an idea of what this looks like on the inside, I'm going to slice it diagonally. And take a look at this. Looks totally delicious. Nice and light. Let's go ahead and tear into this. And it is absolutely crispy, delicious, great for a hot summer day. If the Monument Denali 605 Pro looks like a grill that you would want to have in your backyard, use the discount code BBQ100 and you'll receive a significant discount. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to View to a Grill, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Take care, y'all.